Hello artists, welcome to another video. In this tutorial, we are going to be painting poppies in a loose and abstract style. So let's get started. To start this poppy flower, you're just going to go into the paper with a clean brush and some clear water, and you are going to paint the surface of the poppy with water. After that, you are going to go in by dropping in the red paint. You can use pyrrole red or a permanent red or any red that you have. And you're just going to let the paint do the work at this stage. The surface is quite wet, so I'm using my number 10 comb brush to paint around and just add in the paint. Just enjoy, it's lovely. At the bottom of the flower, I am going to add in a darker color. For this, I've used an ultramarine blue and I've added red to it with a bit of green just to make it really nice and dark. I'm also just dropping in the color and letting the paint do the work. This technique that I'm using is called the wet and wet technique, and I have thickened up the paint slightly for the middle of these blooms, and I'm just going to drop it in and let the edges do the work. This is one of the reasons to love watercolor, because if you use these techniques, you can just let the paint do the work, let it flow, and you'll get really nice effects. I'm going to be dragging the darker part of the flower up into the red just to give some texture and dimension to these flowers. I'm going to be repeating the same technique for the other flowers and petals. I've added some dimension to these flowers by taking some clear water and pulling out the edges of the flowers to create a messy and soft feel. Once the first layer is dry, I'm going in with a little bit of a darker color for a second layer where I've added a few more petals to this flowery poppy garden. Also adding some darker green onto the buds and stems. First working light on these flowers and then letting it dry and adding on a second layer of petals has given a really nice effect to these flowers. It's given a little bit of translucency and a soft feel to these poppies that blow in the wind and feel so whimsical. To finish off these flowers, I just did a spattering of paint all over, just to also tie in the feel and add some texture. I feel like doing the spatter adds a little bit of sparkle to the flower, and also will maybe stop you if you fiddle with it too much and you just want to keep painting. With watercolor, you don't want to really lose your translucency, so sometimes it's best just to leave it the way that it is and not worry about it too much. That's it for this flower poppy painting. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I really hope that you enjoyed it and you were inspired by it. And I hope that you give it a try painting this beautiful poppy. If you have any comments or questions about this tutorial, put them in the comment section down below and I will get back to you as soon as we can. If you'd like to see more tutorials just like this, subscribe to my channel and you will get updated of the latest videos. Thank you for watching, happy painting, and bye for now.